This is a demonstration of FlowCalc order management, presenting a set of actions performed by the order managers in your company for offering quality and fast services to your customers. The order manager makes sure that each order from the customers is produced and delivered on time, as well as priced and invoiced correctly. In this video, Betty Miller is the order manager in Future Printing, a printing company using Applify FlowCalc application. John Taylor is the production worker, and Angela Stevens is the customer who has made an order at the counter. Order data has been entered into the system, and the order has been released for production by Betty. This is how Betty, the order manager, uses FlowCalc to ensure quality service to Angela or any other Future Printing customer. Everyday operations for the order manager Betty would look like this. Log in, validate production from production workers, organize delivery for customers, close delivered orders, prepare and send invoices, log out. First, Betty logs into FlowCalc to check whether the order for Mrs. Angela Stevens has been produced. In the Hours tab of this order, a working session of the production employee John Taylor has been registered with start and end time. Betty needs to validate John's work by clicking on the Edit button. She controls produced quantity and checks Validate. After this, Betty makes sure that the produced quantity is delivered to the customer on the counter or to a certain shipping address. After delivery, the order needs to be closed in FlowCalc so that it can enter the invoicing module. The order is closed based on work in progress estimated costs. Betty now prepares an invoice for the closed order. Every counter customer using invoice payment method is entered in the customer's database with specific customer and invoice necessary data. This data is used during the invoice issuing process as demonstrated. Printing and sending or simply emailing sample invoices to customers converts the samples into definitive invoices to be sent to customers after they have paid. FlowCalc enables you to introduce changes in the invoices. This is enabled using a simple text editor. The final printing is done once the customer had paid the sample invoice. Issued invoices to customers can be found in the FlowCalc invoicing module. What do you get with Applify FlowCalc? Following orders from their counter, entry through production, delivery, closing, invoicing and final payment. Immediate invoice issuing for each customer. Invoice layout and data changes can be made along with invoice preparation. Invoices can be sent to customers by regular or electronic mail. Invoice printing is integrated in FlowCalc. Flexible pricing possible thanks to the different calculation models used by FlowCalc.